In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify dropshipping store. We will go through the basic setup process inside Shopify, connect a dropshipping app, and import products so they can be added to your store inventory. The goal is to keep everything simple and easy to follow, especially if this is your first time setting up a Shopify store for dropshipping. To begin, open your web browser and go to shopify.com. Once the Shopify homepage loads, look for the option to start a free trial or sign up. Click that option to begin creating your store. Shopify may ask you a few basic questions about your business, your experience level, or what type of products you want to sell. You can answer these based on your own plans or choose the closest options available. This part helps Shopify personalize the setup experience, but the important thing is that you continue through the sign-up process until your store account is created. After you finish signing up, Shopify will take you into your store dashboard. This is the main control area where you will manage your online store. From here, you can access products, orders, apps, settings, and other tools that help you run the store. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You do not need to change everything right away, but it is helpful to know where the main menu is located. Next, navigate to the settings area. You can usually find settings near the bottom of the left-hand menu inside the Shopify admin dashboard. This section is where Shopify keeps many of the important store controls. Depending on your setup, you may see options related to store details, payments, shipping, taxes, and other store features. For this tutorial, the key point is simply to know where settings are, because it is one of the core areas you will use as you continue building and managing your store. Now that you are inside Shopify and know where the main controls are, it is time to connect a dropshipping app. In the Shopify dashboard, click Apps. This area allows you to manage apps that add extra features to your store. Since dropshipping depends on finding products and sending orders through suppliers, installing the right app is an important part of the setup. From the App section, open the Shopify App Store. Once the App Store opens, use the search bar to look for a dropshipping app. Common options include AutoDS, ZenDrop, or DSers. These apps are designed to help you find products, import them into Shopify, and manage parts of the dropshipping process. You can choose the app that best fits your needs, but for this tutorial, any of these examples will work. When you have selected the dropshipping app you want to use, click the Install option. Shopify will show you a confirmation screen explaining that the app will be connected to your store. Review the information on the screen, then click Install again to confirm. This step allows the app to connect with your Shopify store, so it can send product information into your inventory. After the app is installed, you may be asked to sync your account. Follow the prompts shown on screen. If the app requires you to log in, use your own account details for that app. If you do not already have an account with the app, you may need to create one through the app interface. Once you are logged in, confirm the connection so the app can sync properly with Shopify. Once the account is synced and confirmed, you can start using the app to find products. Open the Product Search or Product Discovery area inside the dropshipping app. Browse through the available products and look for items that match the type of store you want to build. When you find a product you want to add, click Import. This sends the product information from the app into your Shopify store. After importing, the product will be added to your inventory or product list inside Shopify. From there, it can become part of your store catalog. You have now completed the basic process of creating a Shopify dropshipping store, installing a dropshipping app, syncing your account, and importing products into your inventory. That covers everything you need to know.